Hey guys, Ryan Scott here, and today, or this weekend actually, I'm going to be changing out the front end on my 2012 Dodge Avenger. I got all the parts here. So there's my Dodge Avenger that I'm going to be changing out. We're going to be changing out the bumper, the headlights, and my fenders. So my fenders got a little bit of damage from a couple of collisions that I've been in, or people have been hitting me hitting stuff. You know, deers, it's Texas. We got a lot of stuff going on out here. We got this fender, it's damaged out. My bumper is leaning down a little bit from I guess the clips that are holding the bumper in are kind of busted out a little bit. The headlights are getting kind of grayed out. I don't really dig the silver inside, so I got some new headlights I'm gonna show you guys. I'm gonna unbox all of this stuff for y'all. The bumper has just been in bad shape all the way around. Look at this. That was a head-on collision. It was a quarter to quarter. I didn't do too bad. I had to replace this headlight. That's why this one doesn't look near as bad as this one. This one's a little bit older. I think I got this one from the factory when I first bought the car back in 2012. And that was also from the collision that I was in right here. If you guys could see it, it's a pretty sunny day. I can't really see too much on my camera. I've painted over them. Got rid of the rust for the most part. Okay, well, let's get to the unboxing, man. So the first thing I'm gonna show you guys is these headlights that I got on eBay. I think they're probably about 150 bucks. This is a pretty great deal. I've already opened it up just to see what they looked like, make sure they are the right ones. They did an awesome job packaging these headlights, man. No damage. Look at this. Look at this headlight, man. I was really psyched to get these blacked out headlights, man. Really awesome buy. Let's go look at it compared to the old one. Yeah, it's gonna look a lot better with these blacked out headlights. Those are gonna be nice. So let's go set this back down. Let's open up this fucking bumper. Okay guys, man, so I got some bad news. Oh man, that deal on that bumper that I got from eBay, I mean, I can just show you guys. In the box that it came in, I knew it was a little too small for it, but man, look at this bumper, man. Look, that's like came out great, coming good, and then it just curves off for some reason. I don't know what happened in the packaging process, but I think whenever I slap it on, the clips will push it all the way out. It'll hold, but I don't know what to do about the bottom there. Oh man. So I got the front bumper off. Let me show you guys what that looks like. It's not ugly. It's not ugly. It's not pretty. My skid plate is all kinds messed up, guys. That thing has seen better days. Apparently, I do have fog lights. Like fucking connections in here that I can use. So I mean, that'll be actually pretty good for me when I feel like putting fog lights in. Or do I only have the one? That is super sad. My battery side's a little damaged up. Battery still sits in there fine, but the skid plate, man, the thing has seen much better days. So let me show you all what the old part looks like. Awesome, I can just pull that thing out. So here's my old hood. Starting on the left side, that thing has been damaged. I don't know what's been going on with that. When I was hit in the car accident and I just filled this up with some kind of feeling, it was not the right feeling. Stuff did not work out. I thought it would kind of at least hide the holes, which it did. There's another one right there. The thing's ugly. All the way across, man. It was just some ugly paint on that thing. So whenever I was pulling this thing out, so on the bottom of your skid plate, you're gonna have a whole bunch of clips that are holding it in. All the way around, you're gonna have clips like that all the way around your car, right? Easy enough to pull off. So, coming up here on the sides where your fenders are meeting it, you're gonna have a couple clips in here. I think there's, yeah. So these screws right here, let's see, can I get that to focus? Anyways, these screws right here are clipped into the clips that are holding the bumper onto your fender. So you'll be pulling both of those out. My clips are messed up. I have the replacement clips here to do it. All these holes that you see right here, not the center one. So like this one, you know, that's just one of your clips. Easy as just putting a flathead in there and popping out that top and pulling them out. Those two holes are from me having to screw it in. Same thing on this side. That's where that screw was. I actually pulled that one out. I don't know if that clip is busted, but I still have the replacement. So let me show you all the new bumper that I have. It's gonna be matte black. This other one that I had was just full polished black. This thing is pretty. It looks nice. It's matte black. I got it on eBay. It was about 200 bucks. I did not like that. But I think once I get it on the car, it'll straighten that out. Straighten that out and hopefully flatten out that bottom piece. It has all the same clip holes all the way through it. Even has the spots for your clips that go into your fenders. Awesome. Awesome. It does not have this center grille, which the old bumper has. But I think it'll be as easy as removing that off there. I can color that. Awesome. I can color that without having to do anything to it. Yep, that just pops in. Awesome. So that's the bumper. Next thing I'm gonna start doing is pulling out the fenders. Wish me luck. There's a comparison of those two bumpers, at least side by side, to show you. I think that new one's gonna be awesome. It's that matte black. So we're coming here to the fenders, right here. You know, you're gonna have, these are all 10mm sockets. All three of those, pull those out nice and easy. Shouldn't be too bad to do that. Let's see. Come down here into the fender. We're gonna have some clips that are located in there. Let's see. Coming down the side. I've colored mine just so I can get a better idea, but I was gonna make them at least look better. It's pretty dirty right now. Haven't had time to clean her up. There are two clips down there, but one of mine is missing. There's one right there. This will give you an idea on how to pull his fender out. Let's come into the car. So when you open up your car, your fender is being held in by, I believe, probably another 10 right here. Let's see if I can even, no, I'll have to get an extension to get to that one. There's just one right there. I don't really see any more on the inside. So that should be easy enough to get the fenders out. Alright, so I'll see you guys in just a moment after I'm done getting this fender out. And I'll let y'all know of anything else if I see it. And one more 10mm right there, right below your headlight. Alright guys, so here are a couple more screws that I missed earlier out of that fender. They're on the very bottom of your car. There's at least two of them, probably about 10mm. Just the long ass extension on here. Yeah. Anyways, all the way down on the bottom of your fenders. Okay guys, and there's actually one more screw in here. This thing was a huge pain in the ass to get to. Had to turn my wheel in, pump out some of this fender well. There's some insulation inside here that's being held on, and it is right there. You guys can barely even see it. Let me see if I can put my hand back to it. This thing was a huge pain in the ass, man. I could not believe this. It's just another 10mm. Everything on here is 10mm. Every part for this fender is 10mm. So it's really convenient. Okay. I will see you guys in just a few moments after I get this off. So I got that fender off. Let me show y'all. So, you know, when I was trying to pull it out, it was just had a little bit more resistance. That's because you have a cross arm bar coming out from inside. You know, it's just a little cross arm bar. There's another 10mm right here. Easy. You also have one screw right there that goes into your light, which I showed y'all earlier. Mine wasn't in for some reason. Whack. But anyway, so the fender's off. This is what it looks like without the fender. Not too shabby of a job. It's what it looks like when your skid plate has been totaled. Anyways, so I'm gonna go ahead, I'm gonna get the other fender off, and then I'm gonna start working on getting these headlights out. So let me show you guys on these headlights right now. The headlights were really simple the first time I did them. So what It's a little six star, I think. What is this? Let me see. A T20? Nah, it's a little bigger than a T20. Let's see. The biggest one I got, fucking T27. Yeah, it's a T27. There's one right here. Let me see, there's a couple more in here if I recall correctly. This thing is pretty much solid in there. Oh yeah, you have to remove your front grill, right? Just a couple clips in your grill. 1, 2, 3. I don't think you don't have to remove that one because it'll just slide right out from underneath there. 3, 4, 5. I've taken this off plenty of times. It's a little chunked up. 6th one, you'll pull that off. So this is what it looks like without that front grill on, guys. The thing is hideous. Anyways, so we're coming to these lights. So once you get that front grill cover off, you just got the last part for this T27 right in there. These things are not hard to do at all. I've done this at least once or twice now. So, you know, get those 2 screws out, one on top, one on the side, pull it out a little bit. You're gonna do all of your lights. It's as easy as just picking up these clips and pushing down. Disconnect. Another one. Disconnected. Right here on the bottom for, I guess, one of your blinkers. Disconnected. Last one, maybe this one's your blinker. I don't think you're able to pull that one out. I think that one's just a twist and pull off. Alright guys, so I have just finished pulling off the fenders, front bumper, grille, headlights. I want to say it took me maybe like an hour, maybe an hour and a half. I mean, it's starting to get dark out here now, but I mean, I didn't start till 6:30, South Texas. Anyways, this is what it looks like. It is not pretty. I don't like the way this looks at all. It's always so ugly. Fender side has a little bit of insulation. Might remove that, I'm not sure yet. I think it might be to protect my wires, but all the headlights, all the wiring for the headlights, and my battery's seen better days. Man, this thing has been beat up to hell. It's been rusted here and there. The front, my radiator, left headlight. It's your washer fluid right here. And, well, I guess that would be your right headlight and right fender. But I'm gonna let this sit overnight. So I wanted to show you guys what these new headlights that I got look like on this car right now. All I've gotten is the headlights, and I'm gonna show you guys the spot where I missed one of the screws because I didn't have one on one of my headlights. These things look tight. Awesome. Anyway, so there's a screw right in there that goes into the bottom that clamps the fucking headlight down. Come over here to the other side. Mine's been pushed back from the wreck that I've been in. If you see it, it's right in here. Like this is supposed to be all the way back on that. Like, I mean, I can't really move this around because this is a pretty hard hit. Anyways. It's gonna look awesome. So right now we're gonna finish painting up the grill. I'm gonna work on getting these fenders on here. Oh shit. I'm working on getting these fenders on here, and I'll show y'all what it looks like after I get the fenders on. Well guys, I got the first fender on. Let me tell you, this job was not fun at fucking all. Yeah, I say let the mechanics do this shit, or the guys at the body shops, because this stuff is a huge pain in the ass. But I think I got it looking pretty sweet, especially with that headlight on there. Clean all the way through on there. I got it nice and tight, as tight as I could get it. Man, this thing was a huge pain in the ass. Alright, next up we're gonna slap the other fender on. And there's something I gotta do with that bumper, man. It's already scratching. Doesn't have any real paint on it. It's just a matte black look. But I think it'll look good with those fenders. Those fenders don't match the color that's on there, but that paint's a little older. So I'll see you guys in just a couple moments. Okay guys, so here's the final product, what this looks like all the way around. We got that fender in there nice and clean, the bumpers fit in. I got that skid plate screwed into a different plate that was underneath it. It looks mean. We got a nice paint job coming across the front. Look at this. It is looking mean. We're gonna put some fog lights in there, so those are gonna come up next. I should probably have done that before, but I didn't have those ordered yet. It is a matte black, and I think it's gonna look pretty awesome on with this. Oh yeah, I dig it. Let me know what you guys think. Leave a like if you like it, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Thank you very much, and I'll see you guys on the next couple things I'm gonna do. Actually, the next thing that I'm going to do is I have some coil over some struts, some complete struts that I'm going to be doing in. And then sometime after that, we're going to replace these tires. Yeah, we're going to replace these tires. Alrighty, see you guys soon. Thank you.